Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to make one of my most favorite green juices. This is a Jugo juice duplicate, if not even better, trust me. I used to order this drink from Jugo Juice called Kale, and after spending, like twice a week I would get one, and I was spending so much money on it, and after a while I was like, why don't I just make this my damn self? Why am I spending so much money for a multi-million-dollar company? Like, why don't I just make this? And that I did. And honestly, I've never gone back to Jugo Juice, and this is just as good, if not even better. So I've got 2 stalks of kale, 3 stalks of celery, about 6 apples, 1 lemon, and ginger, but I'll probably just use half. And now the fun part, I actually like to cut my apples into pieces so it's just easier to go down. You can put them whole if you're too lazy to cut, but I do find it sometimes it's difficult to push down, so I just like to make things easier and cut them. And there you have it. And now for a taste test. So good. You literally don't have to add anything to this. It is as is. Perfect sweetness, perfect tart, perfect, oh, so good. So good.